Hello friends, today's chapter is fluid mosaic model. So there are various models of plasma membranes are present. Today we are going to discuss about the fluid mosaic model, one of the model of the plasma membrane. So this fluid mosaic model, this model is proposed by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. It also shows two layers of lipids and proteins each. But according to it, the protein layers have two layers of molecules. Some molecules enter deeply layers and are intrinsic proteins. They cannot be easily separated. Second type of protein molecules which do not enter deeply into the lipid layers but remain attached to their surface only are called extrinsic proteins. They are easily separable. This model explains the structure of the plasma membrane of animal cells as a mosaic of components such as phospholipids, proteins, cholesterol, and carbohydrates. These components gives a fluid character to the membranes. Each phospholipid has a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail inside of the bilayer. Then cholesterol and proteins are embedded in the bilayer that gives the membrane a mosaic look. Each component has a specific function to perform. Components and their location. Phospholipid, the main fabric of plasma membrane. Cholesterol, between phospholipids and phospholipid bilayers. Integral proteins embedded within phospholipid layers. Peripheral proteins, inner or outer surface of the phospholipid bilayer. Carbohydrates attached to proteins on outside membrane. Factors affecting fluidity of plasma membrane. The fluidity of plasma membrane is influenced by three factors. So the fluidity of the cell membrane is influenced by three factors. There are temperature. Phospholipids are found close together when it is cold. When it is hot, they move apart. Cholesterol. The cholesterol molecules are randomly distributed along the phospholipid bilayer and hold, preventing it from separating too far or compact too highly. Saturated fatty acids and unsaturated fatty acids. So fatty acid form the tails of phospholipids. Saturated fatty acids have single bonds between carbon bonds, while unsaturated fatty acid chains have double bonds between the carbon atoms. Fluid restriction of the plasma membrane. Lipid rafts. These lipid domains are found in the outer leaflet of the plasma membrane. Cholesterol is a major component of glycophospholipids, glycosyl phosphatidyl inositol-lipids, then protein complex. Proteins and glycoproteins are distributed across the plasma membrane. This helps transport ions and metabolites, cell signaling, adhesion, and migration. The key points in fluid mosaic modeling. The plasma membrane consists of amphilic molecules, phospholipids. The second important component of the plasma membrane is the integral protein that is integrally integrated into the membrane. Carbohydrates are attached to proteins or lipids on the outer surface of the membrane.